What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to take a look and test out the brand new personalised picture wizard on this LG G3 OLED. So what is the brand new personalised picture wizard? Well, it's an AI driven feature which aims to customise a picture to your personal preference for things like sharpness, colour, brightness, so on and so forth. And this is all done in a very simple way, which is great for the consumer, because what happens is you are presented with a number of different images and you just pick from which of those images that you prefer. And at the end, you get your own personalized picture mode. So if you're the sort of person who finds it a little bit daunting when it comes to all the different picture settings, then this is a great feature, as it keeps everything nice and simple. Now, before we get into it, I just want to say a big thanks to Peter Tyson, who kindly sent over this LG G3 for testing, which has allowed me to make this video. Now, if you are looking to purchase the LG G3 OLED, it would be great if you could use their link in the description, because not only will you be supporting the channel, but you'll be able to take advantage of the fact that you'll get a free 5-year warranty, free delivery, and the fact that they also offer finance packages. And if this isn't the TV for you, then don't worry, they have a whole range of other makes and models available to suit all different price points. So once again, thanks very much to Peter Tyson, and please go check out their link in the description. Right, let's crack on then, and first up we're going to get up the personalised picture wizard. So what we need to do to get it up is grab our magic remote, hold down on the settings for a long press, then we're going to go into picture and down to personalised picture wizard. So here we are, personalised picture wizard. Personalised picture wizard can be set based on your preference, determined by an analysis of image quality attributes such as brightness, colour and contrast using AI deep learning technology. Then it just shows us there like a picture sort of before, I'm guessing, and after the AI has done its stuff. It does say at the bottom, your previous settings will not be changed until you press the apply button on the last step of a new analysis. And we've got the option there to press start, which we're gonna do. So here we are, step 2. So shall we begin? And it says here, select up to 2 images with preferred picture quality among the images. So we got 6 images in total. And yeah, I'm now gonna pick the one that I like out of that lot. So first one, I'm gonna say this one because I do like a nice bright image and it's got a lot of punch to it. I like the colour going on there in the sky, so I'm going to pick that one. And for my second one, I think I'm going to pick this one just here. Again, I like the blue in the sky and yeah, seems quite bright, so we're going to go for that one. Now I'm going to click on next. So we're now on step 3. It says I'm getting to know what kind of picture you like. So again, 6 images are presented, so I need to pick another 2. It says exactly the same at the bottom there again. So I'm gonna go for this one here. Again, looks nice and colourful, and I think I'm gonna go for this one as well. Again, it's quite bright, got a good bit of contrast going on there. So yeah, that's the one for me. I'm gonna click on next. Now it says I'm getting to know what kind of picture you like. So again, further 6 images now, and it's step 4. So for this, I'm going to pick this one just here, and I think the one below as well, and move on. Reason why I've picked those, again, look nice and bright and colourful. These to me look a little bit washed out, might be more accurate, but that's just not the sort of thing I really like. I do like a nice, vibrant and bright image. So we're going to click on next. So we're on step 5 and it says I'm beginning to see your preference. And that is the thing about this, it is your personal preference, not anyone else's, not what anyone else says you should be setting it to. It's what you like, and the AI will then adjust it. So again, I'm going to go for the first one there. Again, I like the whites there, bit bluish, but you know, it looks more of a sort of a crisper white if you want to look at it like that. I like the blue in the sky. That one looks a bit too yellowy for my liking. Again, probably accurate for some people. That one down there, probably a little bit too blue if I'm being honest. Not that one, don't like the colour of the sky. Now this one here hasn't got the blue in the sky, but I do prefer the colour of the snow. So I'm going to go for that one, and I'm going to click on next. So we're on step 6. Now I almost have a clear idea of what you like. So again, further 6. That one to me looks a bit wishy-washy. Same with that. I like this one up here, looks nice and contrasty, so I think I'm going to go for that one. Bit hard this one, but I think I'm going to go for, it's either this one or this one. I'm going to go for this one. I like the contrast there, nice dark, so yeah, we're going to go for that. And next. So this is the last step. Let's get it done. So we are step 7 now. Again, 6 more images. This is now getting down to the fine tuning because there's not a great deal of difference going on here. So I'm going to go for that one just there. Again, it's the brightest image out of the lot. Nice color going on. These ones, it's a bit washing out there. But I'll tell you what, I'm actually going to go for this one because it looks quite sharp looking. So yeah, I think I'm going to click on that and click on next. So it says analysis in progress. Well, there we go. That was pretty quick. I didn't even get to read it. It says analysis completed. Once the settings are complete, the picture mode will be changed. You like a clear and colourful picture, which is correct. Exactly what I said. So we've got a before and an after. And yeah, I do prefer the after. This before looks a little bit washed out for me. Probably accurate, but not to my liking. I like the colour of the after there. A nice vibrant blue. Again, the buildings are nice and colourful there. Really popping. A lot of contrast going on. Yeah, I like it. It says at the bottom, please be aware this change in picture settings may increase energy consumption of this TV. The screen may not be displayed in the new mode when the gallery app is running. So I'm going to click on apply. As you can see, it has now gone back to the picture menu. So as you can see, now in the select picture, it says personalized picture and in brackets, clear and colourful. So yeah, it's actually telling me what I like. So if we click on that, we can see it has been added to that list. That is great. So, you know, we've not got to keep doing it. It's there, it's been saved, and you know, we can jump straight into it anytime we wish. And we still retain all those standard ones that come with the TV out of the box. Right then, let's try out this new personalized picture wizard setting then. So what I'm going to do is just go into the picture modes then. And as you can see at the moment, we're in the standard mode. So take a look at that image. And now I'm going to click on my new personalized picture. And yeah, I think that looks a lot better. Definitely my cup of tea. I'm going to click back on standard again. So let's take a look at that image. On standard, now on mine, I'd say that looks better. So we've got the colour there in the sky that I like. I think it brings out the wood there quite a bit. Looks quite grey there in the standard mode. But again, on my personalised picture, it's just flip between the two. Definitely brighter. Definitely more punchy. I may go back again and just tweak it, which obviously you can do. If you think, oh, actually, maybe it's a bit too colourful or a little bit too dark, you could always run it again and maybe just make some slight adjustments. But yeah, overall, again, I think that looks good. Look at the grass. Look at that. Yeah. I think that's a great feature. So we've just tested out that personalised picture wizard on some 4K standard dynamic range footage. But does it work with HDR content and gaming? Well, let's take a look. So let's get up the main settings then. So let's get those picture modes. So at the moment, we're in the game optimizer. Again, we've got this standard there, but yes, we have personalized picture, clear and colorful going on there. As you can see, HDR. So what I'm going to do is just let's settle in there for a second. There we go. And let's click it on. Yes, it is working. And I prefer the look of it, of what I have selected. I think that is great. I don't know how well it's coming across on camera, but yeah, I actually prefer the personalized picture. To me, this has got a bit more contrast, a little bit brighter as well. So overall, yeah, I'm well pleased. So there you have it then, guys. What are my thoughts on this? Well, I think it is a great feature because I like features that benefit the average consumer, especially those who maybe want a nice, expensive, top-of-the-range TV, but maybe aren't in the know when it comes to setting it up. So overall, yeah, it gets a big thumbs up from me. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this is a great feature? Now once again, just want to say a big thanks to Peter Tyson for sending over the TV. If you have enjoyed today's video, please do me a massive favour, just sparing me 1 second to reach up, hit that thumbs up button. Really does help the channel out and push these sort of videos out so more people like yourselves get to view them. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, then please also hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.